Our objective is to create and deploy a remote presence, teaching at a distance system, and network platform through which English can be taught in real time to people in group classroom milieus in Brazil, where English teachers will be in great demand in the run-up to the 2014 World Cup and 2016 Olympic Games scheduled to take place in Brazil. The Quantum Learning Center's group classroom teaching at a distance system and network platform consist of a central classroom studio facility from which all classroom instruction would originate. Our initial curriculum composition would be all levels of English language classes. These group classes are taught by certified native English-speaking teachers who are experienced in teaching English abroad as a second language. Real-time group classroom instruction will be transmitted peer-to-peer from the central classroom studio to the in-country classroom in Brazil. All group classrooms in Brazil will be administered and monitored by a local, non-native English-speaking person that we have rigorously certified and designated as our Brasilia in-country classroom facilitator. All courses will be tailored to support distance group classroom teaching and learning, utilizing exclusively designed and developed culturally sensitive and appropriate teaching methods and course materials designed to enhance and support the remote presence, real-time distance group classroom teaching and learning experience.